Thank you for joining us after the break and welcome to the glorious city of Istanbul. I've just landed in this city a short while ago and I can tell you that this place is definitely hot. And it's not the weather. I'm talking about यहाँ history है, culture है, scenic beauty है और क्या चाहिए एक destination में. I hope all of you are ready to explore Istanbul tonight, the High Life Dubai way. Istanbul is Turkey's most populous city and also its cultural and financial center. Located on both sides of the amazingly beautiful timeless Bosphorus, the narrow strait between the Black Sea and the Marmara Sea, Istanbul bridges Asia and Europe both physically and culturally. With 1,000 years of history and breathtaking architecture to prove it, Istanbul offers more than that. There is enough natural beauty to get those shutterbugs clicking. Plus, there is loads of local shopping, totally delectable local cuisine, a rocking nightlife and lots more. Welcome to Istanbul. Istanbul is the only city in the world lying on 2 continents, and on the shores of the Bosphorus that runs between Asia and Europe is another legend. Çırağan Palace Kempinski Istanbul, the only Ottoman imperial palace and hotel and our gracious host for this trip. So let me take you in a world of splendor where luxury and history blend in perfect harmony. Çırağan Palace Kempinski Istanbul, once the home of Ottoman sultans, offers an incomparable view that reflects the grandeur and glamour of the hotel itself, which is the only palace in Istanbul to have become a 5-star hotel. Fully restored to its former glory, the Çırağan Palace Kempinski combines Ottoman-era sophistication and state-of-the-art technological amenities.
Çırağan Palace, it's a living legend, it's a living history, I would say. The first palace was built in the 17th century, and the reason they built it was to create a social center of Istanbul where they can do social gatherings, parties, and Çırağan, the word of Çırağan is coming from Persian. It means the source of light. And they used to do that time some parties with torchlets in the nights. So from that time onwards, until today, Çırağan is the social center of Istanbul. This place has been hosting so much important people, so much important functions. Of course, the location is very unique. It has a big impact on our image in the local and international markets. But of course, you cannot be only a hotel with your location. The Kempinski way of service, embraced with Turkish hospitality and culture, of course, carries our guests to a different experience level. That makes Çırağan Palace Kempinski as one of the best hotels. Çırağan is the pearl of the Bosphorus.
Located in the city center, offering a wide range of dining, recreational and wellness facilities, the hotel offers its guests incomparable service and comfort. Staying at a real royal palace isn't something I do every day. Being here is such a surreal experience for me, and I can't wait to explore the hotel further and see for myself how mesmerizing it truly is. And now a look at unimaginably gorgeous Sultan Suite. The actual residence of former Sultan is the most flamboyant and the largest suite I have ever seen. Clearly the Sultans loved living the high life. Years ago, the kings and queens took great pleasure in soothing and relaxing their body, mind and souls. Their tradition have been passed down through the generations and are the very inspiration behind the Sanitas Spa right here at the Çırağan Palace Kempinski, Istanbul. We had a chat with the spa manager, Fatna Fala, to get a glimpse of the unusual treatments where old and new arts of rejuvenation are practiced by their experienced staff. place of calm, where time stands still, there's a whole new world waiting to be found. With the hotel's facilities managed by leaders in spa services, Sanitas, the various services offered here includes classic massages, the Turkish hammam, which is the traditional Turkish bath, Asian massages, skin and body treatments, reflexology, and lots more to help you unwind.
The Turkish bath is basically exfoliation of the skin, and the guests, for example, will come in, book hammam, then they come in, use steam room sauna, it softens up the skin, the dead skin. Then we take them into the hammam area and we give them exfoliation of the body, they call it kese here. And then after that, we give them a foam massage. It's a ritual that I've never seen any treatment as relaxing as that in my life. And I've tried quite a few treatments, but the Turkish bath is #1 in the spa.
Something that's taken very seriously in Turkey. And in this beautiful hotel, each dining outlet has an unmatched view, which pretty much offers you the complete dining ambience. First, it was time for some authentic Ottoman and Turkish food at the hotel's elegant Tiugra restaurant. Lafamore awaits to welcome you with its striking and ambitious Far Eastern decor, which comes with the unparalleled view and breeze of the Bosphorus, the perfect place to indulge in flavors served in personalized handmade humidors.
Here at the Bosphorus Barbecue, located right on the Bosphorus, as you can see, with a beautiful panoramic view, we serve over 30 grilled items, including a huge buffet of both international and Turkish specialties. We concentrate on wonderful service and excellent food.
It's time to wrap up for the day now. It's been quite an experience venturing around this historical hotel. It's almost like staying in a museum, and where else in the world can you do that? It's time for a break now, but join us as we paint the town red when we return. Milte hain break ke baad.